Have you wondered why always you are tired no matter how much sleep you get? Well, you are not alone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 reasons behind your perpetual tiredness, and I'll be sharing with you practical tips and solutions that can help you to overcome it. So don't forget that before we get into details, if it's the first time you are watching our video, we would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and tap on notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we drop something new on this particular YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. So the reason number 1 is poor nutrition and hydration. What you don't know is that eating a food that is rich with vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates is very essential more than your expectation in your life. So eating any food that doesn't consist these things that I mentioned previously, it can make you lose your energy. Also, drinking enough water is essential more than your expectation. So there's a lot of people that are drinking water in a wrong way. So that is why we have created a special video so that we can teach you how to drink water in a right way in order to gain the benefit of drinking water. So to enjoy watching this video, so kindly check in the comment section. I have pinned the link of this video. So don't forget that drinking enough water is essential in your life because dehydration can lead to excessive tiredness and crash your energy. So you have to eat a food that is rich in the nutrients and the vitamins as I mentioned earlier. So you have to keep adding a vegetable, fruits, and a lot of green leafy into your food if you want to regain your energy and stay away from excessive tiredness. Reason number 2 is lack of sleep. Having adequate sleep nowadays is underestimated by a lot of people. What you don't know is that having enough sleep about 7 to 8 hours, it is essential more than your expectation. What is happening is that poor sleep pattern, insomnia, and sleep apnea, it can disrupt your sleep and make you unable to enjoy your sleep. So to prevent this from happening, if you want to get enough sleep anytime without having any issues whenever you go to bed, so you have to go to the bed at some time and wake up at the same time. Also, you have to create a relaxing and comfortable your sleep routine. Also, you have to make your sleeping environment cool and dark. This can help you to enjoy your sleep without having any issues anytime whenever you are about to take a sleep. Reason number 3 is digital overload and eye strain. Excessive looking for a screen for a long period of time, it can make you to experience eye strain and disrupt your sleep routine. Also, it can help you to experience a chronic fatigue. So to overcome this, you have to practice a 20 plus 20 plus 20 rule. What I mean is that if you are watching a screen or a movie for a long period of time, after every 20 minutes, you have to take a break for a 20 second, or for something about 20 meters. This can prevent you from having eye strain and it can help you to regain your energy and vitality. Reason number 4 is stress and mental exhaustion. What is happening is that chronic stress and mental exhaustion, it can drain your energy reservoir. So to overcome this, you have to keep practicing a stress-reducing techniques like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing techniques. This can help you to overcome stress within a short period of time. Also, you have to keep engaging into certain physical activities that you are enjoying for a short period of time, about 30 minutes, like walking, swimming, and even a bicycling. So reason number 5 is bad posture and lack of movement. So if you are working on a computer for a couple of hours without taking a break, this can drain your energy and cause a lack of blood flow in your body to certain part of your joint. So to overcome this, after every 1 hour, you have to take a break and move your body from one place to another. This can help you to regain your energy and vitality. Also, this can increase blood flow into your body and make you to stay away from having that excessive tiredness and the chronic fatigue. This is number 6 on our list, which is clutter and disorganization. What is happening is that working in a messy environment, it can make you to drain your energy and make you to experience a mental declutter and disorganization. So don't forget that I have mentioned the reason number 4. Stress is one of the leading causes of the excessive tiredness without doing any sort of activities. So what if I tell you that working in a noisy environment can make you to experience stress more than your expectation? If you want to overcome this, I'm advising you to stay away from any environment that is making you to experience stress. Also, you have to keep engaging into certain activities that you are enjoying, like exercise, bicycling, and swimming, as I mentioned earlier. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful and educative, we are looking for your support. Please tap on subscribe button and hit notification bell so that you won't miss out whenever we drop something on this YouTube channel. So I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.